Are you looking to make money from home, but finding that it's so hard to make money from home? You're doing everything that they're telling you to do. All those gurus online, they're telling you to click this link here, look at my free training, join my webinar. You do all that stuff and you're still not making money from home. There's two reasons why you're not successful and you're not making money from home. Reason number one is you're a consuming customer. Reason number two is that you're afraid of the light. Now, if you want to understand exactly what that means so that you can start making money from home, click the link in my bio or click the link in this video description right here and look at my very, very short training. I'm not going to get on and give you no hour, 2 hour long webinar where I spend the first 45 minutes talking about myself and how successful I am and all this and that. I'm going to get straight to the point. I'm going to show you guys exactly what it is that you need to do. And just to give you a little heads up, at the end of this short webinar, there will not be any course to buy. I'm not doing any type of course upsell. That's why this is going to be so much different from what you're used to seeing. Now, who am I? Well, allow me to introduce myself. Good day, good day. It's your boy, better yet your man, Markel Prines, home business coach and mentor, Mr. RVA delivered, no suit, no tie, no college degree, and right now no shave, but still make money from home. And lastly, the entrepreneur that all the gurus will soon learn to hate. And after you watch this free webinar that I'm putting on for you guys, like I said, I'm gonna get straight to the point, let you guys know exactly what it is. You'll understand why I have that title. And if you're looking at my shirt right now, let me zoom it in real quick for you. If you can see that, this is something that I highly stand by. This is one of my own shirts that I created. And if you can read that, guard the doors to your mind. And as it says right here, this is the BS trying to get into the door. This is a no BS zone. I'll see you guys on the webinar.